2020, here we come. Today, I just wanted to thank you all, my subscribers, for supporting me on my channel. Whenever someone leaves a comment, it means so much to me, whether it be a positive comment or some constructive criticism. I'm really appreciative for you just taking the time and typing away and leaving a comment on my channel. I am super excited for what's in store for us for 2020. I have some pretty cool products that I want to review with you guys, and I've got a product that I think might be the product of 2020, and I'm going to be doing a review of that in the next coming weeks. 2020 is going to be a brand new year, and I'm super excited to go out and find you guys some new products that'll help you be more productive in the office. Now, if you have any suggestions for me to talk about different topics, whether it be a product review or going over some productivity tips, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you. I'm always open to getting some new ideas. And above all, I just wanted to wish you and your family a really happy new year, and I look forward to seeing everyone in 2020. And of course, I just want to thank my channel sponsor, iCloth. They've been amazing supporters of mine. All right, well, I'm tuning out for 2019. I'll see everyone on the other side of 2020. Thank you so much for a great year, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.